Soaring success making money online through drone photography. In the dynamic landscape of visual content creation, drone photography has become a game changer, offering unique perspectives and stunning visuals that were once inaccessible. For individuals with a passion for photography and a desire to explore the skies, making money online through drone photography presents an exciting and lucrative opportunity. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to turn your drone piloting and photography skills into a profitable online venture. 1. Obtain necessary certifications. Before embarking on a journey into drone photography, ensure that you comply with legal regulations. Depending on your location, you may need to obtain certifications or licenses for commercial drone operations. Familiarize yourself with local aviation authorities' guidelines to ensure that you operate your drone legally and safely. 2. Invest in quality equipment. To deliver stunning aerial shots, invest in a high-quality drone equipped with a good camera. Drones from reputable manufacturers like DJI, Auto Robotics, or Yuneec are popular choices among professional photographers. Consider factors such as camera resolution, stabilization features, and flight time when selecting the right drone for your photography needs. 3. Build a captivating portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing the diversity and quality of your drone photography. Highlight your ability to capture landscapes, real estate, events, or any other niche you wish to explore. A compelling portfolio serves as a visual resume, attracting potential clients and demonstrating your expertise in creating captivating aerial imagery. 4. Create a professional website. Establish an online presence by creating a professional website dedicated to your drone photography services. Your website should include your portfolio, information about your services, pricing details, and a simple way for clients to contact you. A visually appealing and user-friendly website enhances your credibility and makes it easy for clients to explore your work. 5. Offer diverse services. Diversify your drone photography services to cater to various client needs. Consider offering services such as real estate aerial photography, event coverage, landscape photography, or aerial surveys for construction projects. Providing a range of services allows you to appeal to a broader clientele and adapt to different market demands. 6. Leverage social media platforms. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your drone photography and connect with potential clients. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are ideal for sharing your aerial shots, engaging with your audience, and building an online community. Use hashtags and location tags to increase the visibility of your content. 7. Collaborate with businesses and events. Forge partnerships with businesses and event organizers who could benefit from drone photography services. Real estate agencies, outdoor event planners, and construction companies are examples of potential clients. Actively reach out to these businesses, attend industry events, and explore collaboration opportunities to expand your client base. 8. Provide aerial videography services. In addition to photography, offer aerial videography services. Drones equipped with high-quality cameras can capture breathtaking video footage, making them valuable tools for creating promotional videos, event highlights, or cinematic projects. Expanding your services to include aerial videography enhances your offerings and meets the growing demand for dynamic visual content. 9. Join drone photography platforms. Explore platforms specifically designed for drone photographers, such as Dronestagram or Skypixel. These platforms allow you to showcase your work, participate in competitions, and connect with other drone enthusiasts. Joining such communities can expose your work to a wider audience and potential clients interested in drone photography. 10. Stay updated and innovate. Keep abreast of the latest trends and technologies in drone photography. As the industry evolves, new features, accessories, and techniques emerge. Stay informed through online forums, workshops, and industry publications. Innovate your approach to drone photography to stay competitive and offer unique perspectives that set your work apart. Conclusion: making money online through drone photography is a thrilling venture that combines technological innovation with artistic expression. By following these steps and actively promoting your services, you can turn your passion for aerial imagery into a sustainable online business. As businesses, individuals, and industries increasingly recognize the value of drone photography, the demand for skilled drone photographers is likely to grow. Embrace the opportunities, refine your skills, and soar to new heights in the world of online drone photography. Soaring success, making money online through drone photography. In the dynamic landscape of visual content creation, drone photography has become a game changer, offering unique perspectives and stunning visuals that were once inaccessible. For individuals with a passion for photography and a desire to explore the skies, making money online through drone photography presents an exciting and lucrative opportunity. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to turn your drone piloting and photography skills